Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at some coffee from Starbucks. So if you're a Starbucks lover and you love variety, I have a nice classic variety assortment for you. Comes in a nice box. This is 72 K cups in here, so it's a really nice variety. Let's just go over what the variety is. Show you in the bottom here. So the Starbucks Classic. Okay, we have the Verdina blend. We have caramel, vanilla, and toasted coconut mocha. Those are the ones that are in here. One, two, three, four. And there's 72 K cups in here for your Keurig coffee maker, which is really, really nice, which is 18 of each one of these, which is a really good variety. So if you like variety, if you have different people in the house who want different kind of coffee, it's always nice to have different variety, which I like. It's really important. I'm trying to show you how they come. They come in this box, just like this is. This is a bulk box. Open it up, and I just want to show you so you can just what to expect. This is how they come packaged, and you can see they're all just blended in here. So you can just kind of separate them and put them where you want. If you have a separator or a holder for your K cups, this is what they look like. You can actually even smell it. It smells nice and fresh. There's quite a bit of coffee in each one of these, and I'm a big fan of Starbucks. I never was. So I'm actually a big fan of Starbucks. So here is the Verbena Verbena blend. Veranda. I guess I said it wrong. Sorry about that. Veranda, right? Yep, that's the Veranda blend. Put that inside. Here is your vanilla. Okay. Here is your, see what else here. Caramel. Here is your caramel. Here is your, see it so hard. I guess the coconut, right? I had to read this one. Can you read that one? I had to see this one. This one's a little different. Toasted coconut mocha. I had to read this one. This is a limited edition, so that's kind of different. So these are your four different flavors, or yeah, four different ones right here, and they come all prepackaged, nice and fresh, ready to go. And you can tell these are fresh here. These are actually under pressure, so you can see how that. I don't know if you can tell here. Let me see if you can see here. It's like a little bump in here. So that just says that they're all freshly packed, and they all have that. And that's really something you don't see all the time. When you see that coffee, little bump, that means the coffee was freshly packed and sealed inside here, so it's super fresh. And you can just it's how this. Hopefully you can see that. So it's got some movement there. So that's impressive. And that's a sign of quality control to make the coffee as fresh as possible. So when you pop this in your Keurig and open it, it's like opening up a fresh pot of coffee. Boom, and you get that flavor. So that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. I did purchase this with my own money. This is not sponsored. This is not paid for. I purchased this myself just to be clear and transparent. And that's what that's all about. Just want to give you that, show you what it looks like, and just my thoughts. Love these coffees. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the quick review. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.